Morning to one and all present here. Today I'm here again for my kids of Ganga International School, Sawda. So today we are starting up with another sound which call it as E. E. Speak with me. E. E for egg. You must have seen in your home white colored egg. E for envelope. E for envelope. F for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant, you know, it has a long trunk and a very strong trunk. F for elephant. F for eggplant. Do you know about eggplant? Eggplant is basically a brinjal, which you call it in a journal language. That's called brinjal. We call it as eggplant also. So the another name of brinjal is known as eggplant too. Okay? So E for egg, F for envelope, E elephant, E eggplant. Okay, students? So this is the sound called E. E. Speak with me. E. Very good. The another sound we are switching over to is F. F. Speak with me, everyone. I want everyone to speak with me. F. F says fish. F fish. F for frog. F frog. Just you have to concentrate the first sound which is coming out from my mouth. That is F. F frog. F fish. Next is F flower, the fragrant flower which gives you a nice fragrance. F fragrance, F flower. Okay. So next is your F fingers. These are all your fingers. So F fingers, and this is a fan which gives you air around you, right? And F for family, right? F for flag. So these are the all words which starts from F. So let's recall once, revise once all these words with these two phonic sounds. This is E. E for egg. E envelope. E elephant. E eggplant. Okay? The next is F. F. F for fish. F frog. F flower, fragrant flower. F fingers, F fan, F flag, and F family. I hope you can all revise it. It's very easy. You just need to concentrate the first sound of each word coming out from your mouth. That's called the phonic sound. So starting with, right? Now let's see how to write this, okay? We have to always concentrate on the formation when we start writing it, okay? So for writing this E, we have to write in between these two lines, second line and third line, right? And you have to take slanting line, then take a curve and leave the tail in between. That is called E. Okay? We'll try again writing this E. Okay? The next sound is F. This first sound we start writing from the third line and we go upwards to the first line. We come back to the last line and again we go up in the half and take a curve and touch the second line. That is called F. See again how I'm writing. F. F. Okay, students, so these are the ways how we write E and F, and these are the words you have to find out new words which start from sound E and F. I'll see you again. Till then, take care, stay inside and be healthy. Take care.